Welcome to you all, curator and aspirant of class 12th mathematics concerning to CBSE board. Now, I have already stated you that application of derivative is most useful even in engineering, in the stream of social sciences, maths and other field. Hence, in this way, I want to tell you the importance of derivative. Here we use the derivative to find out on curves a point x, y such that the dropping rate of a particle concerning ordinates means dy by dt will be faster 8 times than if the particle descends or ascends on the abscissa, I mean x coordinate. Hence, by virtue of using the derivative laws, we will have to find out a particle xy which lies on this curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2 such that if a particle descending or ascending, rate of ascending is 8 times faster than the rate of ascending on x coordinate. Hence, by taking derivative of the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, now 6y means dy by dx, x cube means xn nx n minus 1, 3x square, 2 means 0. I have already stated you chain rule of the derivative. In the same reference, I will use here 6 dy by dx will be converted into dy by dt upon dx by dt, the required problem invested in the question. Now, dy by dt upon dx by dt will be ultimately dy by dx, and this is equal to 2 into 3, 6x. But we have taken here that dy dt is 8 times faster than dx by dt. Hence, we will convert dy by dt into dx by dt by writing here 6 dy by dt is equal to 8 times dx by dt already upon dx by dt. Now, dx by dt and dx by dt will cut each other and will have 6x. Now, 6x will be 6 into 8, 6 into, and this is a 6 dy by dx, 3x square, or I have written here 3x square. Derivative of x cube will be 3x square, then here will be 3x square, and now this will be 3x square, which include 3x square is equal to 6 into 8, 48, or x square is equal to 48 upon 3, 3 16 ja 48, x square is equal to 16, means x is equal to plus minus 4. Now, due to lack of space in the blackboard, I want to rub the some upper part of the now the question is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Now we replace the value of x is equal to plus minus 4 in this equation of curve. So first, if you apply x is equal to 4, then 6y is equal to 4 cube plus 2, that is 64 plus 2, that is 66. It means 6y is equal to 66. It means y is equal to 66 upon 6, that is 11. Hence first point, xy on the curve will be equal to 4, 11. This is first answer. And if x is equal to minus 4, then it will be 6y minus 4 whole cube plus 2. It means minus 64 plus 2 minus 62 and 64 plus 2 minus 62 and y is equal to minus 62 upon 6, 2 3 ja 6, 2 31 ja minus 62, this will become minus 31 by 3. Now second point on the curve, xy will be equal to minus 4 and this will be the minus 31 by 3. Now this is the requisite answer. Now we have received two value of x plus minus 4. If you take x is equal to plus 4, then by substituting the value of x in this curve, equation of curve, that is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, we have 6y is equal to 4 cube plus 2. This will become 64 plus 2 is equal to 66, hence 6y 66, which implies that y is equal to 66 upon 6, that is 11. Now the first point xy on the curve will be 4, 11. And now if you substitute the value of x equal to minus 4 in this curve, we will get 6y minus 4 whole cube plus 2, that is minus 64 plus 2 minus 62. Ultimately we have find out the value of y is equal to minus 62 upon 6, cut off minus 31 upon 3, hence the final value of xy will be minus 4 minus 31 by 3. That's all. Now in question number 12, which indicates you the radius of a bubble obtained in any way increases at the rate of 1/2 centimeter per second. Radius of the air bubble increases at the rate of 1/2 it means dr by dt is equal to 1 by 2 centimeter per second. 1 by 2 centimeter per second. It's obviously clear that radius of bubble, bubbles means the spherical in shape. So area of the bubble से concerned कोई nothing question lies in this. The question says that the area of increasing the radius of the bubble is 1 by 2 centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of bubble? Volume of bubble. Volume of bubble. Clearly, obviously, this will be spherical. Hence, its volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the bubble is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, at what rate is the volume of bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter? Here we have given radius is 1 centimeter. The question is at what rate bubble will increase? Means dV by dt. We have to find out dV by dt. At what rate the bubble increases with time, with respect to time. Now dV upon dt is equal to dr of v, means 4 by 3 pi r cube into dr by dt. By chain rule it will become dv by dt, because dr will cancel by dr. Now dv by dt is equal to ddr of 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi is constant, 4 by 3 pi constant, and the variable is r cube. The derivative of r cube will be equal to 3r square, and further we have already stated that dr by dt is equal to 1 by 2. Now 3 will be cancelled by this. This will be 4 pi r square. R means 1. 1 square into 1 by 2. 2 is cut by 4 into 2 times. This will become to 2 pi, and 1 is square of 1 is 1, that is 2 pi centimeter cube per second. In question number 13, a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter, that is 3 by 2, 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. The balloon has a variable diameter. If r be the radius of balloon, let r be the radius of a balloon, the diameter will be the diameter 2r. The diameter of balloon 2r is depends upon the variable 3 by 2 within the bracket 2x plus 1. Or diameter of the balloon depends upon the diameter of the balloon, that is 2r, depends on the variable 3 by 2, 2x plus 1. Hence radius r will be equal to half of this, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, 2x plus 1, that is equal to 3/4 2x plus 1. Yeah, this is the radius of balloon. Hence, the question is, find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Rate of change of its volume. Now we have to find out the rate of change of the volume of the balloon with respect to x. dv by dx means dv by dr and v है 4/3 pi r cube. R means this 3/4 cubes into 2x plus 1, and this will be dr by x dr upon dx. Chain rule. It will be 4/3 pi. Cube of 3 will be 27, and this will be 4 16 64, and this will be equal to 2x plus 1. Again the derivative of this will be 2. Now 4 into 16 equal to 64, and 3 9, and 9 into 2 18 upon 16, and 2x plus 1. 9 2 ja 18, and this is equal to this, and pi will remain the same. Now the radius, though because radius has given in terms of x, 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja, this will become 9 pi by 8, 9 pi by 8 within the bracket 2x plus 1. This is the rate of increase of the volume with respect to x of the balloon. 9 pi by 8 2x plus 1. Now we have taken a mistake in deriving the volume, that is a 4/3 pi r cube. So 3/4 I cube by mistake, and this is into 3 into 2. Now square or into 3. Now 3 27 into 3. This will become 9 3 are 27 pi upon 8 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. This will be the answer. Thank you for watching this channel. I will like if you appreciate in terms of comment and like or subscribe the channel. Thank you.